It's Bonnie. Happy Saturday night. I have just concluded my little Christmas party. Fun was had by all, as far as I can tell. And while the party was going on, I got all these deliveries, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I got stuff. I got my Kringle Candle Christmas Snowfall collection. We're going to go over these. And I got my Yankee Candle Christmas tote bag. So I got 2 videos to do tonight. You guys ready? Okay. So Kringle Candle has got a new collection of just released. They're called the Snowfall collection, but they are all Christmassy. They are currently on sale for $15.30. If you use my code QueenGeek, because I am a Kringle Candle ambassador, you'll get an additional 15% off, which brings these candles down to $13 each. That is a fabulous deal. So I'm going to go through these. They smell so good cold. So the first one is called Oh Christmas Tree, and I gotta say, they did a fabulous job on the jars. Look at this. Check this out. They've got the snowflakes all around, and then they've got the beautiful labels, and they've got the beautifully colored Christmas wax. This one is cedarwood, musk, sandalwood, Siberian fir needles, and wood. It's the same as the Kringle Christmas candle. Where is it? Right here. It smells so good, you guys. Oh my gosh. This one is absolutely phenomenal. It smells just like a fir tree. So I did get 2 of these. I got 2 of everything in the collection because I was so excited about these. Next up, we have Merry Christmas. Oh my gosh, you guys, this one is fabulous. Santa is on the label, and then say if for whatever reason you don't want the the literal Santa, you can turn it around. They look so pretty from the other side with all of these snowflakes. Actually, this one is called Merry Christmas, and the scent notes on this one are cinnamon bark. Oh, bay leaves, cinnamon bark, spice. It's sweet and woody. This one is fabulous. I think this one is probably in my top 3. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smells so good. Look at that beautiful red wax. It's better than the Bath & Body Works Cinnamon Stick, in my opinion. Cinnamon Stick is a little harsh. This one, the way they mix the cinnamon in, just smells delectable. Like you just want to eat this candle. So I am all about cinnamon. By the way, they have these beautiful, like, silver hammered lids, which are so pretty. Okay, next up, we have got, I gotta look here, Cozy Cabin. Now, Kringle already has a Cozy Cabin candle. I have not had Cozy Cabin candle yet. I can't get that out, you guys. Check it out. I love the scene on this one. It is so beautiful. And then the back, it's got like a kind of like a grayish beige wax that's super pretty. The scent notes on this one are brown sugar, cedarwood, cinnamon bark, vanilla, and warm maple. Check it out. Oh my gosh, I can smell the maple in here so much, along with the brown sugar and the spice, like the cedarwood and the cinnamon, the spice. Oh my gosh. This one is out of this world fabulous. So far my 2 favorites are the Merry Christmas and the Cozy Cabin. Next up, we have Frosty Friends. Frosty Friends is the blue one. Check this out. We've got Frosty on the label and this beautiful blue wax. Oh my goodness, you guys. So this one is, let me get the scent story here. Vanilla citrus, dewy jasmine, and it's a creamy musk sandalwood. I can't decide if I like this one or not. This one isn't necessarily up my alley. It's different. It's got a little bit of sandalwood, a little bit of citrus. We'll have to see when I burn this one. I just like the other ones a lot better, but it's not bad if you like sandalwood and like a citrusy vanilla. Next up, we have Winter Road, it is called. This one is actually really strong, you guys. So this is Winter Road. Again, beautiful jar. This one is minty fresh woods, bergamot, mint, and eucalyptus. I think this is the strongest of the 6 cold. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I love this scent though. It's got a little too much eucalyptus and mint. You know me, I'm not over the top with eucalyptus. But if you like mint and eucalyptus, if you like Bath & Body Works spearmint eucalyptus, you're going to love this one. This one is, it's really pretty too. I love it. And then the final one, which is actually sold out already, is, oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. This is the Silent Night. These jars are so pretty. And I was watching a couple of other YouTubers, and I think when this burns down, there's a little bit like of a luminary effect on this. It's super pretty though. This one has got like a stained glass window, and then the back there's like white with the snowflakes. It's crushed bayberry, fir needles, fresh winter air, eucalyptus, and balsam fir pine. Oh my gosh, this one's spicy. I can't decide which one is stronger, Silent Night or Winter Road. They're both really strong. I like this one though. I love that crushed bayberry in here. Oh my gosh, this one is absolutely fabulous. So I think my 3 favorites, without burning them, are Cozy Cabin, Silent Night, and Merry Christmas. Although I gotta say, I really like the Oh Christmas Tree too. So I like all of them. As far as the 2 that probably are not necessarily up my alley is in terms of scent, just personal scent, opinion. Winter Road and Frosty Friends. I think a lot of you are really going to like this Winter Road because it's so like classic eucalyptus spearmint. So I think that's going to be a favorite. I love all the jars though. The jars are absolutely beautiful. I think Kringle did a fabulous job on this entire collection. And at $13, if you use the code QueenGeek on these, it's a great deal. So they're still available. The only one that is currently sold out is the Silent Night. And I don't know how long these are going to be on. So if you want these, I would definitely order sooner than later. So anyway, I am excited to start reviewing these. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.